Exchange tutorial. Do you want to learn how to use Elrond's decentralized finance tools? You're in the right place. You only need to have a wallet at elrond.com and the MAIAR application installed on your mobile. On the main page of MAIAR Exchange, we connect with our wallet by pressing the Connect button. We choose the option to do it with the MAIAR application. In the Settings section in MAIAR, you'll find the Wallet Connect option. Select this option and a QR code reader will open. Read the code on your screen and voila! Welcome to the DeFi 2.0 tools offered by Elrond Network. Now you'll discover how incredibly easy it is to grow the profitability of your eGold and MEX. The first thing that we have to do is to swap with some eGold to have MEX tokens that we're going to invest in the liquidity pools. Each one of the operations that you carry out in the exchange, you must approve them through your MAIAR mobile application. In the liquidity pool section, we can choose between the options to add liquidity in the form of several tokens. We have decided to add MEX to obtain more MEX, but you can decide your own strategy. Once the liquidity is added, we're going to start earning our rewards in the form of MEX tokens. We head to the farm section to start staking our MEX. Depending on the liquidity pool that you have chosen initially, you'll have to operate from its corresponding section in the farm of MAIAR Exchange. If you want to get a double APR, select the option to block your farm tokens. Deciding the strategy to follow is up to you. Go to your Elrond community and ask for help if you need it. That was easy, right?